Oh, there's your problem. Your printer wasn't plugged in. I just spent 1 hour in traffic to get here for something that only took 2 seconds to fix. And I'm sure customer support walked them through it and told them exactly what to do.
Can you try turning it on and off again?
Can't do this, it's not working.
Okay.
Yeah. What if there was a way I could show them exactly what to do without actually having to be there? There is now. Introducing Blitzz. With Blitzz, you can see what they see, so you know exactly what's going on and how to fix it. It's kind of like you're right there with them. Watch. Fred has a problem with his printer.
Stupid printer.
And he can't figure it out with customer support.
Can you try turning it on and off again?
I have tried that 100 times.
But instead of sending a technician there, we send him a text message with a link. Hey Fred, what's the problem?
The printer won't print.
Okay, can you show me that front panel right there? There's your problem. Let me show you how to fix it. You see the arrow? It's pointed to the toner cartridge. Doesn't look like it's fully plugged in. Just push it in.
Oh, wow. It works now.
That was easy. But let's say it's something a little bit more complicated. Something you can't fix via video chat. So you get called into the field, but even you can't figure it out. So what do? Using Blitz's advanced AR technology, I can even loop in my colleagues from HQ if I ever need their help. Hey Steve, you see what I'm seeing?
Yeah, I've seen this before. See that part there? You need to install it properly.
Thanks, Steve. I knew I can count on you. And every video call or expert tip is logged into our library. And using Blitz's intelligent machine learning, you know exactly what to do the next time this happens.
And Blitzz isn't just for printers. You can use it for equipment repairs, automotive, power and utilities, telecom, and more.
With Blitzz, I can solve issues 10 times faster and I save on costs because I don't have to waste my time going there if I don't have to. Get the job done right the first time. Get Blitzz.